How to send long video on Instagram DM. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. In Google Drive, click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Upload. In here, select the long video you want to add. Then press on Upload at the top right. After you've uploaded the video in Google Drive, simply search for the video. Then hold on to the video and click on the three dots at the top right. Click on Share. And then click on Not Shared option. Click on Change, Restricted, and anyone with the link. Then click on the link at the top right. It will copy the link. Now open Instagram. After you've opened Instagram, go to the Instagram DM. Now simply paste the link and send it. Now, whoever clicks on the video link, they will be able to see the long video. This is how to send long video on Instagram DM. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.